go teach you, you go see as they go. This information where I want share give you now go fit help you and also help anybody wey need the information wey you fit share this video give. Abeg, make sure say as you dey gather this information, say you use am, okay? I say make I talk this thing for pidgin English because I want make e reach the very target audience wey I want make they understand wetin dey happen. See, everybody dey use phone, and especially people wey dey my country, Nigeria, or even for Ghana or any other neighboring country wey dey around Nigeria. One of the things wey person go fit understand be say phone wey you dey use for hand, e fit pay every bill wey you dey spend money for. Anything wey be say you dey buy, you dey spend money, maybe you dey pay for light, you dey pay for school fees, you dey pay anything for your house today, anything at all wey you dey buy, as far as say that thing you dey spend money on that thing, this phone wey you dey use for hand, e go fit pay that bill. Now make I tell you some of the things wey you no know, because sometimes you go see say information wey person no get, na im go make the person no know say some certain things dey available and those things fit happen. Now this phone wey you dey use now, if you open this your phone now, you go see say many app dey this your phone. See, many app, they don put many app for inside this your phone. Now inside, among all these app wey dey here, e get the ones, the apps wey you dey always dey use every time, and those app wey you dey always dey use every time, they comot money from you. And wetin be those app? Those app na like all these blue app, all these black app, all these, you know, different apps wey dey social media. You don sabi am already. But guess what? They get other apps wey be say if you install them, learn how they dey use am, e go dey help you dey make money, not just for your local currency, but for foreign currency. You go dey make money in dollars. But the wetin the thing need na say you go first understand how those app dey work. If you dey follow me for this channel, you go understand say I dey talk about how to use different working systems as leverage. I dey also dey talk about how you go take make money online. So that is why I say make I bring this topic come give us, and then subsequently I go dey drop video, even if no be every day, go be every 2 days or every week. No day wey I no go drop video wey go help you to make sure say you make money using this your phone, because enough is enough. Many things wey dey happen for Nigeria today or Ghana or any other African countries, e don reach wey we go dey contribute our quota, make we for dey help ourselves. No be until somebody give you money before e help you. The information wey I go share with you go even help you to dey make at least $10 every day, because we get group wey be say they don dey make this same money, and I go just share you the information. You see, e get wetin the app wey they call Weltrade App. That Weltrade na like synthetic indices. You know wetin you go do? Go download Weltrade App. If you don't know how you go take do this thing, make sure say if you watch this video finish, you go for the description, go click the link wey dey that description. You go join our trading group where I go hold you by the hand, come teach you how this thing dey work. Okay, no worry, you no go pay money. Say make I just teach you how the app dey work. Now if you want learn more, now you fit pay to learn more. But as far as I go teach you, wetin go help you to dey make at least $1 to $2 every day, or $1, $2, $5, $10 per day, you go learn am with this app wey they call Weltrade. Other apps dey, but I wan start with the one wey be say we dey learn now for our community. So if you dey watch this video now and you never join our community for inside that WhatsApp group, go now. Go join that community. E dey for description. I go drop the link for description. How this thing go take help you, instead wey be say you go wake up every day, they watch different social media, they make money for all those people. Wetin you no sabi be say you too fit dey make money from online every day. You fit dey cash out every day from the online space. Yes, if you bend down your head, take learn small thing wey be say you go begin dey do. Anybody fit learn this thing. E no even hard to learn. You understand? Whether you never trade before, e no matter say you don't even say you don't know anything for inside trading. As far as you get phone and you get phone number, and then that phone where you get data inside. So what you go do be say you go first download that Weltrade app. If you can't download that app, I go give you the code where you go use register inside that app. Once you don't register finish, I go show you how you go use plug and activate your account. This thing na free of charge. You understand now? So now once you don't activate them, then e get video where I don't do. I go come teach you how to buy and sell using that app. Somebody go say, waiting at they buy, waiting at they sell. You don't need to buy anything, you don't need to sell anything. Now synthetic indices. You understand? Now instrument, you get waiting that they call synthetic indices. This thing they very simple. Now something where be say they don't put them for that system. And if you learn how the thing they work, like for example, now make I just open this one, show you, so that you go begin to see, say this thing no no hard at all. Okay. Now you see as this thing be now. See the app now. I don't open that app. Connect them to waiting that they call MT5. I feel decide now, say I won't make $1 like this now. As the app be now. Waiting I go do be say I go open my MT5 account. As I open the MT5 account, I go inside the app, because I don't see say the app they okay for me to quickly sharply make that $1 or that $2. Then I go come enter the position. See, I don't enter. You see, now as I enter that position, make I show you. See, it don't begin to read. You go see that red thing now go come they turn to blue. Immediately the thing start to turn to blue. It means say the money where I don't put there, don't they read? It don't they give me more money. Should you see now? And now waiting with they try teach. Now waiting and they try tell you, say you fit learn how to do this thing. Somebody go say, should be na money I go use learn them. Yes, you need trading capital. Some of the things where you need, number one, you go need your phone, you go need your data. Then you need to download that Weltrade app. Now, when you download the Weltrade app, you go come need to learn how to buy and sell. I don't buy, no, I don't sell now. Now sell, I they sell now, because now gain 400, I enter. So you see now. Now, how much I use? Only $15. Now I use the trade. Even if you get small money, you fit buy and sell using Weltrade app. Now, waiting, they try tell you. Instead, when you go wake up in the morning, you go for Instagram, you go for Facebook, you go for all the whole social media where they for this world. You don't sabi every news where they happen. You go carry Nigerian problem for your head, carry Ghana problem for your head, carry Sierra Leone problem for your head. Anywhere where news day, now there you day. That one no good for you. Meanwhile, waiting you suppose they do now, as we they speak, now make you take your hand, carry yourself, come learn waiting fee they give you at least $2 to $10 every day. Now, make I ask you one question. If you did Nigeria now, we get people where they our community will be say every day. There's no day where we know they make how much, where we know they make at least $2 to $10 for Nigeria as we they speak. So let's say 15,000 naira for Nigerian currency. So what you go try do now to change how things be for your side, and how you go use change them. Now information where person give you, now you go use change them. And that's why you see say they come out now. Come out and say, make I can't help you and any other person. That's why you see, say, you see this video, share this video, give anybody who need this kind of information. Because enough is enough. The place, the way the economy they go now, and they tell you, things no they, balance again. She been at December 1 enter so. For January, how far? When you first enter January, reach now, how many months don't pass? How much you don't make inside your account? For people where no even they work, even people where they work self, how much they follow you go home after you spend that salary where they get from your 9 to 5 job. So you see now. So grant no level, my brother. Grant no level, So you need to get up. You need to learn something new. You need to start something new this year. This year never end. This is why they tell you now. You need at least 10 to 14 days to understand them well. But because you get me, I go feel help you, to maybe understand everything where you need to do. And that's why we say you go first subscribe to this channel. If you never subscribe to this channel, subscribe to this channel first, so that you go see any of the videos where I go they release going forward. I know go school, they there. Whether you go school, go school, you feel download app for your phone. You feel use this Weltrade app, take they make at least $10, $5, $2. If you make $2 every day, now like $60 it be for the month too. Make I tell you. And you feel cash out this money direct to your GT bank, to your any local bank where they. If you did Ghana, you feel withdraw your money, put them inside waiting, put them inside your local bank in cities. For Sierra Leone, the same thing. Everywhere in Africa. This is specifically for anybody who come from Africa. So that's why I say make I come tell you now. So make you day ready. If you follow me for this channel, all right, for this boost magnet, make you day ready. Sometimes we will go live. When we go live on YouTube, I go help you, hold you by the hand, show you how they work, teach you. I go teach you for free. Because I get community where we don't they do this thing they go. It don't take, no be today we start. It don't they pay me for body too much, because go see man will be 35 years, 40 years. They at the end of the month, even if you pay bills. Water don't pass Gario. And that's why I say make I come out, can't tell you. So make you expect the next video where I go they drop. I go they teach you small how this thing they go, and how my own journey too they go on that level. How my team members, things what would they do, how you too feel do this thing, how you too feel join us. And not the only Weltrade app will they use. You get other app where not be trading. You get other app. Say you get some other apps where be say if you answer questions, share your opinion, then go pay you money. Guy, get up. Enough is enough. This is the time. So expect say for the next video wey I go dey drop, I go dey show you more of these things wey I don talk. But for now, make sure say you go for description of this video, go click the link, make you come join our community, our trading community, so that I go teach you. I go teach you, you go see as e dey go.